My students teach me how to do this question, and what do they do is they just see that the question is based on subtraction. So yeah, we'll just subtract the powers. That is what they think. Okay, but that is completely wrong. Don't ever do that. And remember one thing, that the rules of exponents that we have been studying, they are applicable only when things are multiplying and dividing. Remember that, okay? We use those rules of exponents only when the numbers are multiplying or dividing. You clearly see that your terms are subtracted here. So what exactly can be done? Let's see. X to the power 12 upon 7, x to the power 5 upon 7. So which one is the lower power? You want to bring that out. So remember one thing, the highest common factor is always the lower power. Okay, so if I'll ask you what is the common power, or what is the highest common power for x squared and x cubed, then the answer is x squared. The term with the lower power is always the HCF. Okay, so the same thing you can follow here. 12 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7 is lesser. So I can say that x to the power 5 upon 7 will be their HCF. So in order to bring x to the power of 5 by 7 outside, all you want to do is you want to split the first term into two terms. So if 12 by 7 is the overall power for x, it could be a result of multiplying x to the power 5 by 7 with x to the power remaining power. 5 upon 7 is here, so the remaining power will be 7 upon 7. So we can imagine that this x to the power of 12 upon 7 could have been the product of two terms where the same base is being multiplied with two powers. Yeah, so if you think about the bigger power like this, then you clearly see x to the power 5 by 7, x to the power 5 by 7 is common. So when x to the power 5 by 7 is common, you bring it out. Okay, you write it outside, and then we look at the uncommon part. So if I look at the first term, apart from x to the power 5 by 7, I have another term, x to the power 7 by 7. What is that? 7 by 7 as in the power is 1. So x to the power of 1 is what I have remaining from the first term. And then because I've already taken out x to the power 5 by 7 completely out, if I'm factorizing it out, all I have is nothing remaining. So x to the power 5 by 7 times 1 can only give me the same term. So I just got the expression that x to the power 5 by 7 is the common part and x minus 1 is what I have. So simplifying is always writing things that makes most simplified. I mean, it's just that we are writing the simplified version of the answer. That's it. This is how we do a question based on subtracting exponential terms. Please don't go ahead and subtract the powers directly, or even if they are in addition form, please never do that, because the rules are meant only for multiplying and dividing terms. That's it.